What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making infused sour gumdrops, so let's get into it. Alright guys, we're going to start off by adding our unflavored gelatin to our bowl. Now we're going to add our cold water. Now let it sit for a few minutes. Now we're going to add 3/4 cups of water to our pot. Now we're going to add 2 cups of sugar. Now we're just going to mix every few seconds until our sugar is completely dissolved. Alright guys, my sugar is dissolved, so now I'm going to add my infused honey. I'm going to be using 1/4 cups of infused honey. Now just mix everything together. Alright, so now we're going to take our infused simple syrup and add it to our bowl. Now mix everything together. Now we're going to add our mix into our bowls. Now we're going to add our food coloring. Alright guys, so now I'm going to spray my tray with this non-stick cooking spray. Alright, so now we're going to add our infused mix to the tray. Now we're going to let this cool overnight. Now we're going to add some sugar to our plate. Now we're going to add our citric acid. Now remove your gumdrops from the tray. Now we're going to dip our gumdrops into our sugar and citric acid. Alright guys, my infused sour gumdrops are done. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Peace.